Hello my friends, this is Hani Amri. I'm glad to see you here. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate since 2015. I've did many mistakes, I've struggled a lot, but I did it a successful business since the mid of 2017. In this channel, I usually share my actual and honest experience with people who are planning or already have their online business, so that I can help people to be away or avoid making mistakes and make their business much more easier and happier. So I will see you after this short intro. Hello my friends, today I'm going to speak about the abundance mindset and the scarcity mentality. You know, people with the abundance mindset are the people with a big hope, with the ability, the huge ability to learn more, to acquire more skills, to expand their knowledge, to live their life in a full with the good fulfillment, with the big hopes to enjoy their lives, and then to deliver value to the society, because this is really important, that you are a human being and you have your own life. Of course, you have your skills, you have your own business, and you need to give something to the society back after you have like this setup, after you have your successful business, after you enjoy your life. So giving back to the society is so important. This is any people who can deliver these values to others will feel happy, because this is the meaning of life. You fulfill something, and you have your say in other people lives, and if some people feel happy and find their way for better lives, so you will feel happy for that, because this is you express your humanity, and you give back to the society, and this is really for me the big excitement, and I like it a lot. The other kind of people which has the scarcity mentality are trying, or usually keep their life close. I mean, like, they don't like to share, don't like to learn more, they don't like to acquire more knowledge, or even don't like try at least to find other ways to improve their life, to find another opportunities, to have their say in the society, and even don't, if they have some knowledge, some good information, they even hate to give to other people, and they are always pessimistic, and looking to the world, looking to the life as only the difficulties in the life, only to the hardness of life, and don't think that there is a happiness, there is a lot of enjoyment in the life, there is hundreds, thousands, millions of opportunities to improve your life, to find another ways of for better living for you, for your family, and then by that you will find yourself in a situation that giving back to the society will be your big excitement. I don't like the people with a lot of scarcity. I mean, like, they put the no, or to reject or to refuse in the beginning of every steps. You have sometimes a friend suggests something for you, you answer, you give your answer directly and quickly. No, why no? Keep thinking, give yourself a time, consult some people, go to do search, and maybe it's good for you, because some people come to the opportunity by accident, by chance, and in a blink of eye, and then they invest it and they make it a good opportunity. They proceed to expand, to share, and to be like an active people in the society. So please, for you working online, keep yourself open for much more knowledge, for much more skills, because there is, however you are, whichever your level right now, there is a lot to learn, there is a lot to know. And now, if you share some knowledge, some skills with other peoples, don't worry, because they will be your competitor, or maybe they will like take your client or subscriber or think like this. No, don't think about it, because the time you give this information, or you teach people this kind of knowledge, the time they will start, you have your say, you have like proceed, you are now in advanced level. So don't worry about that. Go to give value, to go to share your skills and knowledge with others, and then you will find another huge and big opportunities to be active, to be successful, and enjoy the life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment, DM me, and I will see you very soon. Bye.